The Moving Average EA is a customizable trading tool designed for synthetic indices, forex, and other assets. It allows users to adjust moving average parameters without coding, enabling backtests across different timeframes to find optimal settings. The EA automatically determines stop-loss placement based on market conditions, while users can set the risk-reward ratio R for take profit. Additionally, users can specify the percentage of their account balance to trade, enhancing risk management control. Let's quickly run through the key parameters of the Moving Average EA. MA mode, choose between exponential, simple, smooth, or linear weighted moving averages. MA price, select which price closing, opening, high, low to calculate the MA on .MA period. Set the number of periods for the MA calculation. Higher values smooth. Lower values react quickly. MA time frame. Pick the time frame for the MA, like 1 minute, 1 hour, or daily. Total trades. This parameter limits the number of trades that can occur between two period separators. A period separator marks the start and end of a specific time period on your chart, such as a day, week, month, or year. The length of the period separator depends on the selected time frame. For example, on any time frame less than 3 hours chart, each separator marks the end of one day and the beginning of the next, while on from 3 hours to 12 hours chart, the separators represent the transition from one week to another. For daily chart, the period separator represents a month, so it's important to on the period separator to monitor the EA. To turn on period separators, right-click on the chart, navigate to Properties, click on the Show tab, switch on the Period Separators option. This will help visualize the periods and make it easier to track trades between separators. Account balance sets the account balance value that the EA will use when calculating the lot size and managing risk for each trade. Percentage to risk allows users to specify the percentage of the account balance to risk per trade, helping to manage risk in a systematic way. Do you allow risk modification? Enables the option for the EA to modify the risk parameters during live trading, giving flexibility in trade management. Do you allow trades to close for a new period separator? This option enables the EA to close open trades automatically at the beginning of a new period, as marked by a period separator. This helps ensure that trades are not carried over into the next trading period, which can be useful for strategies that require a fresh start for each new period, reducing exposure to unexpected market conditions. Unique number. This is a unique identifier for trades placed by this EA. It makes it easier to distinguish between trades from different EAs or manual trades. It's important to ensure the unique number is different if you're using the same symbol or asset across different timeframes, as this prevents conflicts between trades. Additionally, changing the unique number can be used to refresh or reset the EA for a clean slate. Risk-reward ratio R. The risk-to-reward ratio defines how much profit you're aiming to make for every unit of risk you're taking. For instance, a 1-to-2 R means you're willing to risk 1 unit to potentially gain 2. The EA uses this ratio to set take-profit levels relative to the stop-loss, ensuring your trades align with your risk management preferences. To backtest with different settings using the Mount 5 strategy tester, follow these steps. Go to View on the top menu in Mount 5, click on Strategy Tester to open the tester panel. Under Settings, select the Visualize option to see the trades happening in real time on the chart. Choose the necessary parameters. Expert, select the EA you want to test. Symbol, choose the asset or symbol, for example, Eurist. Timeframe, ensure the selected timeframe matches the one you've chosen in the EA settings. After you input all the parameters, you can start the backtest. But it's important to do some chart settings first to know if the EA is working as wanted. FO to Properties and Off the Grid option. After that, allow Show Period Separator. Benefits of the Moving Average EA. Avoids choppy markets. The EA limits you to specify the number of trades within a specified time period, helping you avoid trading in choppy market conditions that are unfavorable for moving average strategies. Precise stop-loss placement. It accurately determines where to set the stop-loss, enhancing trade safety and risk management. Consistent percentage risk. Users can specify the percentage of their account balance to risk per trade, ensuring consistency in risk management despite fluctuations in the number of pips. Customizable risk-reward ratio. The EA allows users to choose their desired risk-reward ratio, enabling tailored trading strategies that fit individual risk preferences. Default. It's important to note that the EA will not automatically display the indicator on the chart after activation. You will need to manually add the indicator yourself in MetaTrader. Additionally, if the lot size calculated based on the percentage risk is too small for the account, the EA will automatically use the minimum lot size allowed by the broker. Therefore, it's advisable to use an account that can handle the percentage you set. Similarly, if the calculated lot size is too large, the EA will use the maximum lot size permitted for the symbol.